Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we have this electric Kia EV Niro and we're going to POV drive this car for you. This car was provided by Ziel & Ziel in Delft in the Netherlands. This is the outside of the car, and if you want to see a little bit more about the inside or around the car, check out the walk around or the review of this car. So hop in for the POV drive. So hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today I'm here in the electric Kia EV Niro. And this car is actually a pretty high up car. Higher than I expected. Maybe because I'm a little higher up with the seat, but I think it's also because this is a quite high car, and that's nice when you are a little bit older or you like to sit up high in the car. You can just hop in or hop out the car quite easily. So that's nice. That's really nice of this car. This car is provided by Ziel & Ziel in Delft. And this Kia is fully electric, so that's nice. And today I'm going to give you a POV drive of this car. And we'll find out what this car is all about. Also, you can maybe see it in the mirror, but we're also driving the Kia EV9, which is a very, very big car. And it's also nice to see that car on the road, and we're going to tell you a bit more about that car as well. So if you want to check out that video, then click up right here to see the video about the Kia EV9. Let's see if this car has a little power, and it actually has. You can see the gauges. It will tell you about how many power you're giving it. It's quite fun to see that. Yeah, there are so many indicators. I checked out the sideline, and it picks it up right away. It also lets you know when you're driving above the speed limit. Yeah, it is sort of nice, but yeah, when I'm driving fast, I think I want to drive fast, but it's okay if you. No, it don't shows it right now, but maybe when he sees the. Yeah, it now says 80. But the thing is, there are so many indicators that tells you about anything you're doing wrong, like for example crossing the line without your signal lights and all that kind of stuff. Here's Nikki in the Kia EV9, which is nice. We're going to have a little drive with these cars. We're heading to the highway, which is about a minute away, and we're driving to test the capabilities on the highway. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the interior and the exterior of this car. And this is a little acceleration. In the beginning it's quite slow, but it picks up after that, so that's nice. It's actually pretty nice to drive this car if you want to pass someone or just like to have a little bit more acceleration in the car. This is a very, very nice car for you. Also because it is an electric car, but not always every electric car works the same, and this car is kind of how you want it. Here we go again. So and let's see if we can like manage the system in front. So it's not this one. Maybe we can change. Yeah, we can change a little bit. Yeah, this is I think this is the nicest, but I don't think that you can change the drive mode, and it is already in sport, I guess. Let's check it out again. Oh, normal and sport. Now it's in sport. All right, you can feel it as well. You can feel the throttle response is more like aggressive than when you're in normal mode. And also the braking kicks in harder in sport mode. You see the charge and it definitely brakes. So if you like to one pedal drive, then this is a good option for you, because the car will regenerate electricity when you let off the gas or let off the accelerator. And that's quite nice, because I like to pedal or drive with one pedal, but it depends on your own opinion. But I think if you give it like, let's see, you can adjust the regenerative braking with the pedals behind the steering wheel. You can minus, so the regenerative braking will kick in less, or you can give it a plus, and you can feel it in the car as well, because it already does something. It actually is now on maximum, and yeah, you can feel it right away that there's a big difference in the modes you can choose. I think if I'm right, there are like 3 modes, a very hard one, which it is on right now, and a quite easy one. It doesn't do anything quite hard, but it will regenerate energy or electricity. It also lets you know when there's someone on the left side or on the right side of the car. It will indicate in the mirror. You have it in the left side and also in the right side. In terms of the interior of this car has a panoramic sunroof, and this car is overall all gray and black optics, which are quite nice. So it seems like a quite luxury car. It lets me know that there's something on the right, but there isn't actually. Maybe it's because of the traffic indicator that it's not. Oh, there's Nicky. I have to give him a little space. There he goes. And as you can see as well, the heads-up display, if you can see it, I don't know. Yeah, I think you can see it right here. So it tells you a bit more about the speed you have to drive on the roads you are on, and it tells you the speed you are driving yourself. It also shows you the lines. If I'm go right and a little bit too much, it will indicate that I'm on the right side. No, it doesn't show like red, but I feel that the steering wheel is pushing me back towards the middle, and it tells me to keep my hands on the steering wheel. So you see a little bit more information on the heads-up display, which is nice. So you're sure you have your eyes on the road. That's why it essentially is for. So further on, you can see right here that the car also has a like ambience light, and it now is yellow. I don't know if you can change the color, but there are some additional lightings in this car, which is nice. There's a very big emergency light, and you have your climate control right here, and the climate control can go away if I'm right, but it also has a few other options. So I think it's some sort of screen, and it's not right away buttons, just something to know. This particular car also has seat heating, which is nice. It also has cameras on the car. I don't know if we can put it on, so we can see Nicky on the left side, which is nice. There he goes. It's nice to see like some cameras on this car. I think I can turn it off right there. That's nice. And this is the very big, or quite big screen, which is also nice. And you can tap the screen and show a little bit of specs of this car, how many range it's got, the battery. You can also see when I'm driving with AC, so you can see how many kilometers you can drive with AC or without AC, which is quite nice. So you know how far you can go, and maybe you have to drive back home or to a charging station, and you can see like if you can make it or you can't, which is quite nice. Further on, this screen shows you a little bit more about your navigation, the phone, Kia Connect, air conditioning. You can also press that one. You can control that on this screen as well. You can control it on this screen, but you can also control it on this screen. It's quite nice. Let's see if we can see any more like car things. I don't think so. Yeah, further on, overall this car is a very nice car. It drives real good. If you like to have what I already said, a little bit higher up. Further on, this car is a very modern car, as we expect from Kia, which is nice. The car has any feature you want, you can opt it as well, but it's nice to see that Kia really stepped up like the model. So on the interior, it's also very nice. It's black. You can see very nice materials are used. Yeah, I think that's overall it's a very nice car. So if you want to see more about this car, we also make a review of this car. You can check it out right here or otherwise on our channel. And also we make a walk around of the car. So this is the POV style video. You can also check out the walk around, which we're going to make today, and you can see a bit more about this car. So how the materials look from the outside, from the inside, also on the back, and also we may give you a little bit more in depth about how the seating is. If you want to check out a little more review style of this car, you can check out the review of this car. We go a little bit more in depth in terms of the driving and also the seating position and what this car actually is all about. So with no further ado, thanks for watching to this video. If you want to see more of these type of videos, let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!